Welcome. In this video, I will be introducing you to PixelLab Application. I am Ayodeji Peter. I will be right back.
Welcome back. This is PixelLab Application introduction. Yeah, we have the interface like this. Once you open the PixelLab, you should get this. Here we have templates which are already made by the PixelLab programmer. Now you have this. You can see we have this 3D and more. Alright, I would like to explain the function of all these keys you are seeing here, all these shapes and more and more. Now let's start from here. Let's just go back here and change to default. Alright, let's see here and see. You see we have rotate. Maybe you want to rotate the dimension. Yeah, alright. You see this is used, and you can just change this as the name implies. They all does according to what the name are written under it. Noise. If you want to add noise, just like a paper mesh to your design. Yeah, you see, you have it this way. Alright. Let's just then strip. Maybe you want to make use of strip. You see, depend on the opacity or how you do this is for increasing the opacity or the alpha. Alright, repeat. See, you can enlarge it or make it bold. Alright, depend on how you want it. And then this brightness, the brightness of the background. This is just basically used for background setting. Alright, you see, anyhow you want it. Then you contrast, hue, and saturation. For the saturation, see, so that is what this light stick does. The light stick does that is function. Now coming to this shape, you have the color. Maybe you want to change the background color to blue. This is just using for changing the background color. Now, for you to understand what I'm talking about, let's just reset this back to default. Yeah, we have the default. Then we go back here. Now let's change the color of the background to let me make use of color red, yes, or black or white, depends on what you want to do. Or white, anyhow you can make use of gradient color as well. Okay, if you want to work on the transparency background, just click here. You see, maybe you are designing a logo, or after that, then you want this image size, the size of your design. See, we have it saved. PixelLab has make it easy for everyone. Maybe you want to design a YouTube thumbnail. This is the size of a YouTube thumbnail. You don't need to set anything, just go straight. Or you want to make use of square equal side 1:1, or you want to make use of Google Plus cover photo. Anyhow you want it. You even want to custom, maybe you want to design for A4, like A4 paper. See, you can just change the size. You just have to check for the size of an A4 paper, the ratio of an A4 paper, then you make use of it. But now we've been using 1:4. Alright, square. Okay, maybe you want to use image as your background. You can just click on this. Then we have image which PixelLab has already added to the application, which you can make use of, or you can as well import from your camera, take a picture you want to use, and as well save the picture on your mobile phone or your smartphone or your tablet. You can make use from your gallery. Alright, let's just go straight. Then this here you can import shape or import picture as well. This is just for designing, as the name implies. Maybe you want to import a sticker. Under the sticker you have emoji and all others. Then import, maybe you want to import a picture or a PNG. Alright, when you check other video on this channel, we're gonna see how to use this. See, you can make use anyhow you want it. Just okay, we have this. Now you can edit this. See, once you add a picture or add anything, it will bring all this for setting the picture. Maybe you want to reduce or you want to delete, crop, anyone you want to do about the picture. Maybe you want to duplicate it, you just make use of copy, and you want to send it to back or bring it to front, or you want to change the position. See, this is used for it. The relative position, this is used for direct and fast position of your object. Center, and this, it should be at the center. Right, as we start using this, we're gonna understand how everything works. Now to the test. This is used for adding text, edit. Maybe you want to, let's just make use of introduction. Alright, introduction. Okay, then you click OK. Once you click OK, you see the introduction is showing, but we can see it because it's on white background. Let's just change the color. You see, color, let me make use of red. Alright, maybe you want to change the fonts. You see we have everything here. To change the font, you just click on each of it, then you get the name, body text, italic, underline. And once you add all this and you want to cancel this out, just click on this, yeah, and you reset it back. Yeah, the background, maybe you want to add a background to this. Yes, you see the graded background or any of the type of background you want to add. Okay, let's turn it off. The space, line space, maybe you are using a paragraph. This is for arranging the paragraph or distancing the paragraph from each other, or the spacing between the character, the letter, or the words. You see, you will make use of this. You want to add a shadow or inner shadow, emboss, perspective. See, this is perspective. You just do it this way. Nice. You have this, or you want to rotate it 3D. You see offsets. Yes. Each of it they have, or you want to add a. See, you want it, you just have it this way. Alright, that is for test. And now for this is just for safe projects, or as I said earlier, this is used for fast and easy, which I've already done by the. You can just edit this But when you want to edit it, just come here, then edit, new text, you just write ptech. You have this, then you click OK. You see, to adjust the size, you just click this. Alright, maybe what they said there you don't want to edit it, you can just come to here, yeah, 3D text. Now depth, you see, maybe you want to reduce it, don't want it. Alright, and darken, you want to make it light, depend on how you want it. Okay, now to here, this is for the arrangement of the layer. Now we have only one layer here, you can lock it, hide it. Okay, this is for grid, it is used for arrangements. You can just make it, bring it to test here, just for arrangements. And maybe you just want to add more lines, you make use of this to add the lines. See, you want it, or you can use this, you can see position of the line, see, just have it that way, and to undo. Okay, to close this back, see, now this is for zooming in and zooming out. Once you activate this, just pinch your 2 finger in, this is for zooming to. Now you want to undo a process, this is using for it. See, it has undo all the process. Yes, we have it this way. Done. This positive sign you are seeing here is doing the same function as this for here. We have drawing tools, then background. Yeah, we have the same thing here, which is text, current date, sticker, shape from gallery. Maybe you want to import an image, that's it. And this, as the logo implies, it is saved. You can use this for saving projects, save as projects. Maybe you want to save your work and you need to save the project you are doing. Just save, let's just save and make use of intro. Yeah, you have this. Okay, now save thing down, that's it. Then another save option, save as image. You want to save this as image. Yeah, JPEG is used for no transparency, and then PNG is for transparency. Maybe you are working off logo and you want the background to be transparent, you just make use of PNG. Now the quality depend on how you want it. If you are going for printing, make use of ultra, and then you save, you click on save to gallery. Right, let's go back and see, this is for sharing. See, you can share to Facebook, any other social media. And then this, maybe you are a motivational speaker and you want to add a text, you see, you have it multitude here as much. You can change the language, we have English and French only here. And then the type of quote you want, you can take success, happiness, and more. Yeah, okay. And lastly, these 3 menu button, I call it menu button. Use image from gallery, just the same thing as if you just want to import an image. Push screen mode, maybe you want to preview what you're editing. We have export image, which is also as safe, and image size, to set the size of your design, image size. And you just see everything like that. And now this open.plp file is just for you to fill your save projects. I repeat, it is used for open save projects. Once you click on it, it brings up all the projects you have saved. Now let's check. See, we have it this way. These are the recent project I've done here. Okay, that is all about the introduction to PixelLab. Now we will go into a sample. You can check the next video for the example on how to design with PixelLab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.